Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Panaceas. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. There is no universal panacea for all your problems, but finding a balance of exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness may greatly improve your overall well-being. Panaceas refers to remedies or solutions that are believed to cure all diseases or problems, but often there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.